Your mind is a universe, full of memories, emotions, and tiny sparks of thought that make you, you. Psychology is the science that explores that universe, one question at a time. Psychology studies how we think, feel, and act. It looks at how our minds shape the world around us, and how that world shapes our hearts. Every laugh, every decision, every late-night thought, that's psychology in motion. What makes psychology so fascinating is that it connects everything. The science of the brain meets the poetry of human life. It asks why we dream, why we fear, and why a single song can make us cry. Psychology helps us understand ourselves and each other. It teaches us how to handle stress, build better habits, and grow through kindness. It reminds us that even our worries have meaning. So if you've ever wondered why humans love, dream, or hope, you're already exploring the most fascinating thing in the universe, your mind. Join us as we uncover the stories and science of what makes us human.